Any well-stocked kitchen should have a reliable thermometer on hand. With an infrared thermometer, you can instantly check the temperature of almost any surface by simply pointing it and pulling the trigger. It's ideal for cooking meat, baking, or making candy. In this video, we'll show you the best infrared thermometers for cooking. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 15, EtekCity 774. This infrared thermometer is a reliable and versatile tool for checking surface temperatures across various tasks. It also features max and average temperature modes, an auto-off function to conserve battery, and a low battery indicator. It is designed for a wide temperature range from -50 degrees Celsius to 610 degrees Celsius. Simply aim the thermometer, pull the trigger, and get an instant reading on the bright backlit LCD screen. Powered by 2 included AAA batteries, it's ready for use right out of the box. This one is ideal for measuring objects, not humans or pets. This thermometer's ease of use and precision make it essential for any kitchen or toolbox. Number 14, Kizen LaserPro LP300, a reliable tool to measure temperatures accurately. This infrared thermometer is also an excellent choice. With an adjustable emissivity setting, it provides accurate results across various surfaces, while the safe measurements from up to 14 inches away. The large backlit LCD screen ensures readability in low light, and it comes with batteries included, so you're ready to use it right away. Simply point, pull the trigger, and instantly get the temperature reading. It delivers precise readings ranging from -50 degrees Celsius to 610 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for cooking, automotive work, or home repairs. This thermometer is designed for inanimate objects only, making it ideal for both professional and DIY tasks, offering versatility and ease of use. Number 13, IR Thermometer Gun. This non-contact infrared thermometer is designed for accurate and reliable temperature measurements across a variety of applications. With a high-precision sensor and self-calibration mode, it ensures precise readings on different surfaces by adjusting the emissivity. It offers a temperature range of -50 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius and can measure ambient, maximum, and minimum temperatures. The backlit LCD screen makes it easy to read in low light, and features like unit conversion, auto power off, and low battery indication enhance convenience. Ideal for measuring food, oil, water, and other surfaces, its 14-inch distance provides safe, contact-free readings from the correct distance. Simple to use and accurate, it's perfect for cooking, repairs, and professional tasks. Number 12, Taylor Infrared Thermometer. This versatile thermometer combines infrared technology with a thermocouple probe, offering the benefits of 2 devices in one. Ideal for professional kitchens and fast-paced environments. With features like min and max, hold, and a warning light, it enhances usability, while the dual-line LCD ensures clear visibility of readings. Its IP65 water-resistant rating makes it perfect for demanding environments. The 1.5mm probe accurately measures various foods, and the thermometer includes a nylon case and 2 AAA batteries. It provides surface temperature readings from -55 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius, and thermocouple readings from -55 degrees Celsius to 330 degrees Celsius, ensuring high accuracy. NSF certified for food safety, it's perfect for checking liquid temperatures, meats, sauces, and prepared dishes, providing consistent and quick readings for both professionals and home chefs. Number 11, Fluke 568 Dual. This dual-function thermometer combines infrared and contact thermometry, offering precise non-contact and direct temperature measurements. With an infrared range of -40 degrees Celsius to 800 degrees Celsius and a Type K bead thermocouple range of -40 degrees Celsius to 260 degrees Celsius. It's suitable for a wide range of applications. The distance-to-spot ratio ensures accurate readings from a safe distance, and the adjustable emissivity improves accuracy across various materials. Designed for rugged industrial use, it includes minimum, maximum, average, and differential functions, along with audible and visual alarms when measurements exceed set limits. Storing up to 99 data points, it's a reliable tool for precise monitoring and analysis in demanding environments. Number 10, Klein Tools IR5. This versatile infrared thermometer is for accurate temperature readings in a variety of applications. It provides fast and accurate readings from a safe distance of up to 14 inches, ensuring precise measurements from a safe distance. The thermometer has adjustable emissivity, allowing it to adapt to different surfaces for optimal accuracy. The backlit display ensures easy reading, and the auto power off function conserves battery life. Powered by a 9-volt battery, it provides provides up to 10 hours of continuous use. With a wide temperature range from -30°C to 400°C, it offers useful modes like low alarms for enhanced safety. Built to endure tough environments, it also features 2 meters drop protection, making it ideal for vac, cooking, automotive tasks, and more. Number 9. INKBIRD Plus Infrared. This infrared thermometer is known for being accurate, easy to use, and well built. It has a long battery life and strong customer support, making it a trusted choice for many users. It works without touching the surface, which keeps things safe and clean. The display is clear and the design is simple to handle. It also saves power by turning off the screen automatically. You can adjust it for better accuracy on different surfaces. It quickly checks surface temperatures from up to 14 inches away and covers a range from -50°C to 550°C. With a high score for value, this tool is great for cooking, car work, and other temperature checking tasks. Number 8. Fluke 62 Max. This rugged infrared thermometer offers accurate, non-contact surface temperature readings for industrial use. With a range from -30°C to 500°C, it provides fast and accurate readings from a safe distance of up to 12 inches and laser targeting for precise measurements. It is designed for professionals, it's compact, lightweight, and easily clips to a belt for convenience. The device is rated IP54 for dust and splash resistance and can withstand drops from up to 3 meters. It also includes different functions and differential readings, plus a backlit display for clear visibility in low light settings. Highly rated for accuracy, durability, and performance, it's a dependable tool for automotive and electrical applications. Number 7. ThermoPro TP420. This 2-in-1 infrared thermometer is a handy tool for measuring both surface and internal temperatures. It uses a built-in infrared sensor for non-contact readings and includes a foldable meat probe for checking internal heat levels, perfect for cooking, grilling, and other home or work tasks. The surface sensor reads from -50°C to 550°C, while the meat probe ranges from -50°C to 300°C. It gives fast results in under half a second and works from about 12 inches away. Adjustable settings improve accuracy across different materials. The clear backlit screen, auto shutoff, and low battery alert add to its convenience. Durable and easy to use, this thermometer is great for kitchens, workshops, or anywhere precise heat checks are needed. Number 6. ThermoPro TP420 Digital. You will really like using this non-contact infrared thermometer because it makes things so much easier. You can use it for all kinds of jobs, like cooking, checking cars, or working on the AC, and it always does a great job. It can give fast and accurate readings, which is pretty great. You don't have to get too close either. It can measure from up to 14 inches away, so it keeps things safe and easy. One thing I really like is how it can adjust to different surfaces. It has something called adjustable emissivity from 0.1 to 1, which just means it can work better on different materials. The screen is backlit, so it's easy to see everything clearly, even in the dark. It shows the highest, lowest, and average temperatures, and it will turn off by itself after 90 seconds to save battery. It can measure a big range of temperatures from -50°C to 550°C, and it only needs 2 AA batteries. It's simple to use and super handy. Number 5. SOVARCATE Infrared Thermometer. This infrared thermometer utilizes advanced sensor technology paired with a precise Fresnel lens to deliver highly accurate readings with a nearly 2% margin and a fast response time of 0.5 seconds. Its adjustable emissivity enhances measurement precision across different surfaces, while the fast and accurate readings from a safe distance of up to 14 inches ensures safe and reliable readings from a distance, covering a broad temperature range from -50°C to 550°C. It's perfect for both industrial and household tasks like cooking, grilling, or engine maintenance. The built-in red laser allows for precise targeting of the measurement area. Also included is a meat thermometer, expanding the tool's functionality for internal temperature measurements, making it an essential and user-friendly choice for diverse applications. Number 4. EtekCity LaserGrip Thermometer. Designed for accuracy and speed, this infrared thermometer reads surface temperatures from -50°C to 610°C in just half a second. So if you're cooking, baking, checking your grill, fridge, or even managing your pet's environment or aquarium, it handles both hot and cold temperatures with ease. With an adjustable emissivity range from 0.1 to 1.0, it provides reliable readings on different surfaces. It provides fast and accurate readings from a safe distance, meaning you can measure safely from around 14 inches away. It features a bright backlit LCD screen for easy viewing, a degree Fahrenheit or degree Celsius switch auto off to save battery, and a low battery indicator. It runs on 2 AAA batteries and is ready to use out of the box. Number 3. Helect Infrared Thermometer. This durable infrared thermometer is built for long-term use. It's perfect for both daily and industrial applications such as cooking, refrigeration, and measuring materials like steel, glass, and plastics. With fast and accurate readings from a safe distance of up to 14 inches, it ensures safe, quick measurements from a distance. Features include automatic data hold, a backlit LCD, a low battery indicator, and auto power off, making it user-friendly. The thermometer offers good accuracy for reliability and is designed to withstand extended use. A lifetime warranty adds to its dependability. Ideal for surfaces, this thermometer combines precision, durability, and versatility for a wide range of tasks, providing accurate temperature readings within a range of -50 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Digital Infrared Thermometer. This infrared thermometer is designed for non-contact temperature measurement, ideal for cooking, barbecues, and pizza ovens. It offers a wide temperature range from -50 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius with a display resolution of 0.1 degrees Celsius. The thermometer includes an easy-to-use LCD backlight for night use, which turns on automatically when any operation is performed. It has a data hold function that freezes the reading when the trigger is released. The built-in 8-second auto power off function helps conserve battery life. With a preset emissivity of 0.95, it provides accurate readings for most organic materials. However, for shiny surfaces, it's best to cover the target with masking tape or black paint. Powered by 2 AA batteries. Number 1. iHealth Infrared Thermometer. This no-contact thermometer uses an infrared sensor to measure body temperature from 1.18 inches away, ensuring safety and hygiene. It features a tri-point sensory system that collects over 100 data points per second, adjusting for distance and environment to provide high accuracy. The thermometer is easy to use with a one-button design and delivers fast readings in just 1 second on a large LED display, even in the dark. A gentle vibration alert replaces traditional beeping, offering a quiet experience. Suitable for all ages, it's perfect for home use, hospitals, schools, and other public settings. The package includes 2 AAA batteries, an instruction manual, and a 12-month warranty, providing reliable and convenient temperature monitoring. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.